Ever seen a business laptop look like this? What happens when an IT guy uses a drill to customize his laptop? Hi friends, welcome to Fresh Tech Therapy. We're here to make better tech decisions and live with fewer tech regrets. I'm Adam and I'll be your guide. Today, we're breaking through the barrier of this boring business class machine. We're transforming this Lenovo from a plain workhorse to a bold expression of my tech journey. Who says only MacBooks get to have all the fun? I'm even willing to drill the skin to make this work. We'll use my favorite colors and creatively replace the Apple cutout. It's easy, and you can do the same. Let's dive in. Now, choosing the skin isn't easy. The market's flowing with options for the usual consumer models that don't fit my robust business mobile workstation, and a lot of Dell, HP, and this Lenovo don't have options. So I had to get a bit creative. I dug into the dimensions, comparing my laptop's dimensions to a MacBook Pro that was kind of close. And my first stop for skin shopping was DBrand. But it wasn't an option to remove that unmistakable Apple logo, and we'll take care of that for sure. So what's the story behind this bold transformation? Well, this Lenovo P1 Gen 6 has an i7, 96 gigs of RAM, and an NVIDIA 4080. And I'm not promoting it, I'm really just hooked. I can't stop using these business class laptops with that red eraser head. And it's my daily driver. I've never had such a powerful mobile machine going with me everywhere. It can handle your video editing or refreshing you with the latest video game. But visually, it's no different from a random tool. Functional, reliable. Normally, my main machine would have some type of personal touch, but this is really lacking. Kind of how people see us IT folks, like tech mechanics. But I know enough IT pros, we're pretty much just loving serving people, helping people, solving problems. Our work is not just about the tech, it's also about personal connections. So I thought it's okay to have a little personality. The colors, the calming blue, the contrasting orange, they're not just random colors. These are colors, my tech colors. They represent two tech businesses, my first business and my present business. Being the perfect colors, I was really excited to get this skin applied. And I found it was pretty easy. Just clean the surface, align, and apply. I used a knife to remove a little particle that showed up through after I applied it, and I was able to reapply the skin rather easy. I like to keep my fingers off of the underside of the edge when applying to keep a perfect perimeter seal so it doesn't come up during daily use. The skin looks really good, but addressing the Apple logo was a must. So I won't be leaving that cutout on my Windows machine. But I wanted to resolve this creatively. My passion for technology was fueled at an early age, but it was during the time of Windows 2000 that my passion and love for serving and helping others was merged together. And this is what I wanted to express. So I went hunting on Redbubble for the perfect cover-up, some version of a Microsoft Windows icon. I found a set, included various versions of the icon, perfect for some other devices in the future. Adding this to my fresh laptop felt like appreciating my tech history, a little retro, and appreciating it being a Windows machine at the same time. Primary machine personalized perfectly. We had one more problem to solve. I couldn't see the status light. It's built into the ThinkPad logo. It's nice, but now it's covered up. Finally, I decided to drill a tiny hole here, just enough to see the standby light, so it can shine through. My laptop's feedback is essential and valuable to me. Speaking of feedback, how am I doing? This is only my third video, and feedback is so important. If you're enjoying our time together, drop a comment, hit the subscribe button. It's your life. Do what you want. It's your choice. But a comment from you, it's like status. It's like feedback. That's like seeing through this little hole. I always appreciate to see things from the outside. Never bother, no worries, I won't drill into your skin to get it. One more special note about feedback. Let me give you some feedback about DBrand. We go way back. You mean like the Google Fold days? No, we want that to be way back, but I mean back to the Nexus 6 days, actually. Look at this thing. I went looking for my first DBrand, and I found this in my garage while planning the video not too long ago. This skin far outlasts the device. Micro USB and a headphone jack. I hope DBrand is cool with me drilling up their case to make this work for me. They might just send me a lawsuit. My case to fight, who knows? But I'm here for you and letting you know personalizing your tech physically can be just as fun as digital customizations, especially when upgrading costs an arm and a leg. It's a great way to bring freshness to your device at a low cost and highly recommended. And here's a kind thought. Next time you see your IT guy, show him some love, give him a hug, maybe, just maybe, give him a pat on the back, a quick robot check just in case. But seriously, let's have some compassion and remember, behind every high-performance IT guy or gal, there's a human behind the tech, just like this laptop. How it looked pretty dull on the outside, there's more to us than meets the eye. So have fun, enjoy your tech, even if you have to drill into it. I mean this tech, not your tech. Anyway, keep having fun with your gadgets. It will definitely help you enjoy your work. If you enjoy customizing tech and personalizing it, like this laptop, and you thought that was great, you should definitely consider PC building. If you haven't already, this takes things to a whole new level, and we'll get to that.